This is Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist. And the question is this: why do some members have follow and some members have connect on their LinkedIn profile page? I'm going to show you how to make that adjustment and how to use it in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button, because I create all this content for you. Well, the change, let's go look at my buddy Randy. And you'll see Randy, he and I are connected, but he has the connect button right here. Let me go look at it from another profile. Give me a moment to set this up. And I'll look at his full profile, and you see he has the connect button here. Now, if he has the connect button there under more, there's follow. But let's go look at another one. Hang on one second. Let's look at Angus. And you'll notice that Angus has the follow button here, and he has the connect button under more. Now, the reason why Angus has the follow button here is for one of two reasons. Primary reason number one is that he is what's called a content creator. And you can see that he's a content creator because he has this right here. And that this is a part of being a content creator, and plus it shows the number of people who are following him. Randy, on the other hand, has decided not to be a content creator, so you don't see that there. And Randy has also decided by default he wants people to connect with him. And again, Angus, by default, wants people to follow him. Now, how do you make this change? Let me show you how to make this change. So first of all, you can see I'm also have the follow as the option because I'm also listed as a creator. And I show you my followers there. And then the way you do that is under resources, you may have creator mode. So if you turn creator mode on, again, it's going to ask you what you talk about, 5 keywords or hashtags, and it's going to show the number of followers you have here. And again, it's going to have the follow button there. Now, another place you can make that adjustment is in settings and privacy. Under visibility and under followers, you can turn on so who can follow you. You can change it from everyone on LinkedIn to only your connections. And furthermore, you can turn off make follow the primary action versus connect. Now note, if you turn that off, you're also going to be turning off creator mode because they now go hand in hand. So in summary, you can turn on follow as the primary in privacy and settings. You can turn on follow as the primary versus connect by turning on creator mode. They now are going hand in hand. And if someone has connect as the primary on their LinkedIn profile, then follow is under more, and vice versa. If they are by default want you to follow them, then connect is under more. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.